if I were you right now, I would pay particular attention to this video because I'm going to break down something very, very, very important. This is a 1 to 15 risk reward ratio trade that I'm going to break down. Watch to the very end, right? So we have a very nice drop, a strategy break of structure to the upside. And what I'm waiting for right now is for the market to pull back into this area. Okay, now let me show you. This trade right here was forecasted days ago. This right here. Basically, I wanted the market to pull back into this zone. As you can see from here, it was a long-term forecast. I wanted the market to pull back into this zone right here. And then once the market pulled back, I was going to look for buying opportunities, right? And I also made a video about it. I was forecasting this particular trade, right? Okay. So fast forward, today the market is at that particular level right now, and we can see it kind of moving in my direction as predicted. But why haven't I entered this particular trade? Why am I waiting for extra confirmation? Okay, so right here you can see it's 24 pips stop loss and about 393 pips target. That was my initial idea, but this is going to take a shit lot of time for it to come here, and my stop loss is just going to be too big, which means my lot size is going to be small. However, this is what I've decided I'm going to do on this particular trade right now. I've gone to the lower time frame, like I've showed you. I've gone to the lower time frame here. You can see that this is the initial stop loss from here to here. Massive stop loss, like 25, 24 pips stop loss. So if you measure from here to here, about 24 pips stop loss. I don't trade like that. However, what I've decided to do is that I've got into that same zone. This is the same zone right there. I've waited for the market to come and actually take out this high, which just tells me that there's change of character right here. Not the break, but change of character. Let me change that. That's a change of character right there because the market has been bearish. And now we've seen the market going to the upside. And now what I'm waiting for is for this market to actually come into this area. I can't enter this particular trade right now because it's like 3 in the morning right now, and it's during the Asian session. You guys know that I only trade once the Asian high or Asian low has been taken out. So right now I want the market to come and take out the Asian low or high, then come into this area. That's when I'm going to be waiting to take this particular trade. Otherwise, I'm okay this trade leaving me. And that's exactly what's going to happen. And I've already told the community right here. So for those that want to actually take a trade, they can actually buy from this 25 pips stop loss. However, for me personally, 25 pips is a lot, and I might regret it, but I want to see the market pull back to the level after taking out the Asian low or Asian high. Plus, I don't trade using in the during the Asian session. So fingers crossed we get the pullback, and our stop loss will be like, initially I was looking at maybe 8 pips stop loss, but I've refined it. It's about 6 pips stop loss right here. 5.7 is about 6 pips stop loss. And guess what? The risk reward ratio is 1 to 15, and I don't have to hold it all the way to 300 pips right there for me to be able to get the same literally. So for me, I'm just going to target this high right here, which can be achieved in 1 day, and then I'm just going to wait for the market to come here. The low here is going to be my stop loss. As simple as that. So for right now, it's just the issue of waiting. It's just a waiting game for now. I wanted to tell you, I wanted to record this video so that I can actually show you my thought process on this particular trade right here. This is around 0344 in my country. So you guys make sure that you actually show support and appreciations for me actually doing this. All right. Okay. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. I should be sleeping by now, but I woke up early and I was like, okay, what the heck? Let me just do this video and let's see what happens. Right. So that's how it is, guys. So mark this level right here. Make sure you wait for the alert to be triggered, and then wait for the confirmation to this level right there. And once the market comes here, trust me, we'll be pushing to the upside. All right. So you guys take care of yourselves. Until next time, goodbye.